video form na
Hold
sir.
the button. This comes here. Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
smaller thing on top, bada wala niche. Put it like ulta, like this. Understood? Once
Yes,
it
sir.
goes down, pull it. थोड़ा उसको tight करना है, ऐसे छोटा बनाना है. Then this thing comes on the other side now, like this. So this is a double knot tie. Okay. जब ये आ गया, तो take
Yes,
it
sir.
like this and bring it like this. और इसको pull it down and then pull it like this. ये होगी triangle. Shall I do it again?
No, sir. I understood, sir.
एक बार फिर देख लो यार. पहले
Yes, sir.
कॉलर
Yes,
करके
sir.
बटन बंद करके the smaller thing on top, ये छोटा नीचे. Okay. Then इसको
Yes, sir.
बराबर करके this thing goes up into this और इसको पूरा दबाना नीचे. Then you take from the other side now. Now you are coming from the other side. Okay. पूरा दबाना ये
Yes,
बन
sir.
गया सेंटर में ये ट्रायंगल सा.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Wrap it
sir.
up from the front. Take it behind और उसको आगे से निकाल देना और इसको दबाना है हर डेज पे और ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे करोगे तो ये हो गया परफेक्ट. Now this has to go right till up and this must never be longer than ये वाला बड़ा होना चाहिए, ये छोटा होना चाहिए.
Yes,
अभी
sir.
मेरा थोड़ा सा निकल रहा है बाहर. This is incorrect.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This should always
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir.
Monday is not longer than Sunday. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
इसको
Yes, sir.
put your collar down properly. Pull your shirt नीचे और इसको adjust करो in a manner that you are properly done.
Okay, sir.
ये अभी मेरी क्या है साइड में है. तो I must
Yes,
be in the
sir.
center.
Mm-hmm. So mistake I did actually while tying the tie, I don't shut out the top button. Like top button was open when I'm tying the tie. I think that was the mistake.
If your top button remains open, he will straight away reject you. That means
Yes,
you
sir.
do not know how to do it and you're doing it for the first time. Most
Yeah.
of the
Yes,
school
sir.
children I see, when there's a tie and a school uniform, वो खुला लेके घूमते हैं. That is nonsense.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
remember that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Varsha, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
moment your name is called on the PA system, you're going towards the place where interview is going to be held. Moment you reach there, since it's a corona thing, you will not be required to open the door. Somebody will do it for you. Do not straight away enter. Go and still stand outside the door. When you're looking at the interviewing officer, say, sir, may I please come in, sir? That is the first thing.
Yes, sir.
Moment you say, please come, stand in front of the chair, next to the chair onto your side, and then say good morning, good evening, good whatever the time of the day. Wish him. Until he says,
Yes.
please sit down, do not sit down. Okay? Wait
Okay,
for
sir.
him to say, please sit down. He will say, please sit down. Varsha, please sit down. Then sit down comfortably in a very, very composed manner. हाथ कहाँ रखने हैं, पाँव कहाँ रखने हैं, सब मालूम है उसका. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You know
Yes,
it?
sir.
It should not be.
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to be stiff. At the same time, I do not want you to be awkward. But remember, your back should be, entire back should be touching the entire back of the chair. जो पीछे जो back शुरू होता है, which is a joint between hip joint, should be touching the lowermost portion of the chair. बैठ के practice
Okay,
करना.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
We assume के वो हो गया है. आपने बोला, can may I come in, sir? He said, yes, please come. Or madam, depending who's taking your interview. Then you came and stood in front of the, stood next to the chair, and he said, please, Varsha, please sit down. And you sat down. Okay. Now the interview starts, right? So
Yes,
how are
sir.
you, Varsha? How have you done your test?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
So how was the day today? What all tests did you have in the morning before this?
Actually, sir, morning first I wake up at 5:30. Then I go for the running, walking, and after that cycling. Then
No. I'm not asking that. I've just said, did you have any test before this? GTO का
No.
psychologist तो नहीं होगा. A psychologist. Sir, I had GTO test, a psychologist. I said, so how are you done in those?
Okay. So, sir, I did my best into the psychology as well as the GTO test, sir.
whatever has actually happened that day. Then normally abhi he's trying to make you comfortable. He knows that you are a little tense. You will be tense. So he's making you comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So he's
Sir,
asking you कि क्या हुआ है सुबह. अभी उसने
yes,
नहीं
sir.
पूछा रूटीन क्या है. वो बाद में आएगी बात. Okay. So you say, sir, I had this test, that test. So Varsha, how have you done those?
Sir, in the GTO task, I tried to implement the idea. I tried to find out the ideas how to make a bridge. And meanwhile, I cooperate my teammates and I encouraged them. I motivated them to do best. In the snake race also, we all cooperated. We talk each other, and it's really very fun, sir.
ज़्यादा नहीं. This is the initial thing. This is not
Okay,
detailed.
sir.
Sir, I have done
Yes,
well
sir.
and we did well. So how have you done? Yes, sir. We all cooperated, sir. We tried to finish the task and we did it. We were successful. हमने कर
Okay, sir.
बस इतना. ये अभी comfortable drill चल रही है. अभी start
Okay,
नहीं
sir.
हुआ interview actually per se. Now he's making you comfortable. Okay. So once the
Yes,
interview
sir.
starts, then when he asks you the detail, then only give it and not otherwise. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
it
Yes,
looks
sir.
natural. Okay. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
So now I say, okay, Varsha, tell me which place are you from? I see it from your PIQ. You're from Bhilai. Is it right?
Yes, sir. I'm from Bhilai, sir.
Very good, very good. And which school did you study there?
So senior secondary school number 2 sector 6. I studied 10th and 12th both from the same school only.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, Varsha, tell me something about you. Like, how was your life? Where was your childhood? How did you go for studies? And who were your friends? Then you know, how were your teachers? What all you did in your school and college? And then you know, what all you think about life, Varsha?
So sir, from the childhood, a bit difficulty I faced during my education, because in a very mature age I understood that education is going to be a big asset for me. Although I faced many problems and situation, but I failed many times, but I bounced back and come back with a great solution. And in school I really like in school I am very good in academics, so I enjoyed in into studies. And I'll also participate in extracurricular activities and sports casually. And yes sir, I have a plenty of friends, like every each and everyone
Varsha,
wherever we meet.
which all extracurricular activities you participated in?
Yes sir. Sir, I participated in a debate, a speech, and the poem reciting competition, and also quiz competition. I won many prizes, sir.
So you write poems also? Is it?
No, sir, I'm not writing that, but like I read the authors of the poem, and I just learn from there, and I reciting into the
So
audience.
which was the poem you recited last time, last in competition? And who
Sir,
was the poet?
lastly, yes, sir. Sir, lastly, I recited the Harivansh Rai Bachchan poem in the class 10th and in the Independence Day, and yes, sir.
Okay. Harivansh Rai Bachchan. I mean, you know somebody who's a son or something in this country doing very well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The our Mahanayak, that is Amitabh Bachchan. He is the son of the Harivansh Rai Bachchan, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, carry on. Carry on.
So after that, sir, as you told about my friends, so I had a very wonderful friends. Although I meet everyone in my class, I talk to them very nicely. I help them equally, and when I needed help, they also helped me a lot. Although I have two to three best friends whom I talked very much. So and teachers also supported me very much. I
Varsha,
respected all the
who are your best
teachers.
friends? Who are your best friends?
Okay, sir. So my best friends are Sonali Srivastava and Meghna Nalandula and Diksha Verma. Sir, Diksha Verma is my childhood
And
friend.
what all do you talk amongst yourselves?
Sorry, sir.
What all do you talk about yourself amongst
Oh,
yourself? आप लोग मिलके क्या बातें करते हैं?
yes, sir. Sir, we talk about so many issues. Like, firstly, we discuss about our life. Like in our life, what is going on. After that, what is the current news? We talked about that also. And sometimes also we talk about our teachers also.
तो लाइफ के टीचर के बारे में क्या बात करते हो आप लोग?
Sir, when we are in school, some of the teachers gave us so many assignments and also we discussed that how we are going to complete that assignments. Yes, sir.
But you must be criticizing teachers also, ना? आप कुछ teachers तो तंग भी करते हैं, मार भी पड़ती होगी.
Yes, sir. Many times, whenever we did some mistakes or assignments, we did a lot of like mistakes. So many times we got punishment also, sir. And we enjoy that
And then you
punishment.
must be
It becomes
then you
memory.
must be hating that teacher. You must be hating that teacher.
No, sir. For sometimes we are feeling very uncomfortable because in whole class they slap us. So sometimes it was there, but we forget easily, sir.
But then उसका teacher का कोई nickname भी तो रखा होगा ना, कोई उसको छेड़ने के लिए.
No, sir. No, sir.
नहीं कुछ तो होगा.
No, sir.
Okay. Resume now. Resume.
Yes, sir. Sir. Then as you ask about my teachers, then I respected all the teachers because after my parents they are the one who supported me a lot in every field. So after
Very
my
good.
parents,
Very good.
yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. So I respected them equally, but although I have 2 to 3 friends, sorry, 2 to 3 teachers, which I like too much because of their some good personality I perceived from there. I learned from there too much. So 2 to 3 teachers are there whom I like very much.
And what did they teach you, Varsha? Which you like very much?
Yes, sir. Sir, although they are very good in they are very simply, they are very simple manner discuss about the topic. But although they are very helpful nature, not only the studies. If I am facing any problems in education or in my life also, so I directly went there. I ask and I seeking help from them, and definitely they will help me, sir. So this type
Okay,
of
Varsha. Okay,
teachers,
Varsha.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
we will take a break here. Now I'll tell you.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
every time you're speaking, it is emerging that तुमने बहुत सारा रट्टा मार रखा चीजों के बारे में, and you want to speak a lot of things. Control that. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
जितना
sir.
सवाल पूछा है उतना ही जवाब देना है, ज्यादा नहीं देना है. You can, and
Okay,
good
sir.
that you are praising your teachers, you are praising your friends. पर वो praise भी इतनी ज्यादा मत करनी है कि वो not more than 1 or 1.5 sentence. Okay? अच्छा. Secondly,
Okay.
whenever I'm
Right,
asking
sir.
question, yes sir, okay sir, so sir, ये जो है ना starters, इनको काट दो. When I
Okay, sir.
ask you who's your good teacher, yes sir. So my teacher is, don't know that. Just say, sir, I like my teacher, Miss Sindhu Sharma, and they did a lot for me. And well, he'll ask you what they did for you. You must have example. मेरे को पूछेगा, मैं बोलूँगा I failed on a stage one day in the school assembly. These 2 people may come back the next day, and that's why I'm a good speaker today. So I like them, I respect them a lot. ना इस किस्म का एग्जाम्पल हाथ में कहीं होना चाहिए, which you must know. ठीक है? Otherwise,
Yes,
there's
sir.
nothing wrong with your speaking.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
only finding that you're doing extra. Try and curtail yourself. And putting your eyes
Okay.
right, left. मैंने उस दिन क्या सिखाया था NLP में? You remember? Of भूल गए हो?
Yes, sir. We
The
have to
moment
look
you
into
take,
the
moment you
assessors.
take your
Yes.
life eyes onto your right, that means झूठ बोल रहे हो. सोच रहे हो क्या बोलना है. और moment you take it to the left, that means you're trying to visualize the actual thing. तो लेफ्ट, अपने लेफ्ट में अगर आइज लेके जाओगे, यानी कि मेरे राइट में, अपने लेफ्ट में. रिमेंबर योर लेफ्ट हैंड, व्हिच इज योर लेफ्ट हैंड? रेज योर लेफ्ट हैंड. नाउ इफ यू टेक आइज टुवर्ड दिस साइड, दैट मींस यू आर ट्राइंग टू रिकॉल समथिंग व्हिच हैज हैपेंड, मींस सच बोल रहे हो. इफ यू डू इट ऑन द other side, it means you are trying to cook a story. This is what the NLP says, and IO will be practiced in this. So इसको राइट लेफ्ट के चक्कर में हमने पढ़ना ही नहीं है. हमने सिर्फ उसके मुंह पे देखना है, उसकी एक आई से दूसरी आई और तीसरी उसकी चिन. So I have to rotate my eyes in 3 places on his face only. Understand? तो वो
Yes,
NLP
sir.
की कहानी में हमने जाना ही नहीं है. उसको ये मौका ही नहीं देना कि मैं रिकॉल कर रही हूँ या झूठ बोल रही हूँ या सच बोल रही हूँ. वो सच झूठ का काम ही खत्म कर रहा है. आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू. So if you put your eyes throughout into his eyes, that also looks awkward. So for a few seconds you look at the right eye and onto the left. If you regularly rotate करना है, it is at random, but your eyes will not go away. Okay, cut out
Yes,
those
sir.
initial sentences. I'll start the interview again. So here we go again. Okay, well, tell me, you written in your PIQ that you went to Hyderabad. What did you do there and why did you go there?
Sir, I went for the gate preparation there. I took coaching in the Hyderabad, and for that purpose, I went there.
So then what happened over there? You didn't make it for gate?
Sir, I prepared there. Yes, sir. I prepared there 6 7 months. I wrote the gate, and I qualified the gate exam with a very good marks.
Oh, wonderful. And what did you get from Hyderabad? What did you learn over there? From Bhilai to
Okay.
Hyderabad, from Chhattisgarh to gone to Andhra Pradesh or Telangana?
Sir, the big difference is language, sir. In Chhattisgarh, all the peoples are saying Hindi or their local language. But in Hyderabad, many peoples are from outside, like Telugus also there, Muslims also there. So the common language is English, sir. So many peoples, even the vendors, also saying the English. So the main thing which I improved there, the English language, sir. The difference I learned from there. Yes, sir.
But did you like the cuisine of Telangana?
Yes, sir.
Did you like the cuisine? Cuisine is khana pina.
Oh,
Cuisine,
yes, sir.
cuisine.
Yes, sir. In Hyderabad, mostly the biryani is famous, but I'm a non-vegetarian, sir. I'm vegetarian, sir. That's why I missed that chance. I only
So
eat their the
moment he's
South
asked you
Indian
some,
foods.
moment he's asked you something, do you like the cuisine and you do not know the meaning of cuisine? Excuse me, sir, I do not understand the meaning of cuisine. Can you elaborate it further? That is how you should be
Okay.
asking. Sir,
Okay, sir.
sorry, sir, I do not know the meaning of word cuisine, but can you please elaborate further so that I can answer you, sir?
Okay,
Okay?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, did you participate in any outdoor activity, NCC, NSS or something कुछ किया है?
No, sir.
Okay. Tell me what is your daily routine at home? How do you spend your time?
Okay, so morning I wake up early, sir. Then with my mom, we are going to walking, and after some time we are running. My mother's walking still. I running and I do some exercise, and then after coming home, I go for the cycling. After that, coming from the cycling, I do some home chores. I helping my mother in her home chores. After it, after breakfast and these things, if my siblings have any need of help, especially in the studies, I help them. Otherwise, I will increase my knowledge. Like I read blogs or articles in online platform. Yes, sir. After that, the lunch, and after that, I took some power nap. In evening, I go for again cycling or walking, depends. And in evening, when my father came, I serve him any breakfast if there, and snacks and tea. After that, with my father, we discuss a lot, like what was his day. After that, we did dinner, and then, sir, this cycle is remain.
What
Yes,
do
sir.
you don't
Right.
meet your friends at all the whole day? कोई नहीं उनसे मिलने जाते हो गप्पे शप्पे मारने?
So in the evening time, when I was going for the cycling, we both, like my 2 or 3 friends joined me, sir, in that. So in cycling, we discuss something. Yes, sir.
तो क्या do you don't go for movies and restaurants and लड़कों को छेड़ने नहीं जाते हो वहां पे?
No, sir. Actually, family doesn't allow to go for the movie, but we go for the outings, like for shopping something. We go for that, sir.
तो लड़कों को कब छेड़ते हो दिन में?
So we don't do,
Why?
sir. We are not interested in that.
You don't have a boyfriend?
No, sir.
Why?
Actually, sir, I believe that it requires more time, more energy, and I devoted my total time energy to build my career, sir. So I thought that,
But
eh, yes, sir.
कोई तो बॉयफ्रेंड होगा, कोई तो जान पहचान तो होगी.
No, sir. Until I don't have any, sir.
No, don't. That is not the answer. Yes, sir. I have friends who studied with me. मेरे क्लास में थे, आगे पीछे मिलते हैं, but कोई बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है. फ्रेंड तो हैं, but बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है.
Okay, sir.
और कभी जरूरत पड़ती है तो I ask them for help also. But क्लासिकल बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है कि हाथ में हाथ डाल के घूमे उसके साथ. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
But yes,
Okay,
friends
sir.
are there, classmates are there. मोहल्ले में हैं, आगे पीछे हैं, कॉलोनी में हैं. People boys meet. We talk, some discuss. कभी कभी होता है, but there's no dedicated boyfriend कि I have to go around with somebody. Because I feel that is a waste of time. I'm supposed to do something else. Because I have to help my
Yeah.
parents. I have to see I make some career. So that should be the answer. Okay.
Okay,
Tell
sir.
me,
Yes,
Varsha,
sir.
let's say since you said you're not allowed to go for the movies, let's say your parents took you for a movie and you were there, and the movie may sometimes, let's say you came out to buy during the interval you came to buy, let's say popcorns or soft drink something, and किसी लड़के ने तुम्हें छेड़ दिया वहां पे, so what will you do there?
Sir, firstly, I told that boy that don't do that. If he continue, then probably I will slap, sir.
Or what else?
Sir, or if he continue, then I aware the people around me. I took help from them, sir.
But slap नहीं छोड़ना, slap मारनी है. कितनी जोर से
Yes, sir.
मारोगे?
I definitely.
Okay.
Sir, it depends, yes, sir.
अच्छा, वो लड़के ने क्या बोला था जिसको स्लैप मारी है?
Sir, he told something. Sir, I don't remember, sir.
No. Say, sir, he told something nonsense, which I don't think I should even bring into my this thing.
Yes.
गंदी बात करी थी जो मेरे को बोलना भी शर्म आती है, मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. बट मैंने उसको थप्पड़ मार दिया, उसको सबक सिखा दिया उसको. हिंदी में बोल देना, there's no issue.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, what else is what is your goal in this world? क्या करना चाहते हो लाइफ में?
Sir, I believe that I am a very evolving person. Like I wanted to learn many things, and also I like adventurous things. So I wanted to explore the things. Like I wanted to I wanted to go from one place to another place. I wanted to see how the people are working around the world. So, yes, sir.
And which all adventures do you like, Varsha?
Sir, like in television, we are when seeing the mountaineering and skiing. So, sir, I thought that I will that I also do that thing, sir. And also, I very much interested in horse riding.
Varsha, if you like mountaineering, you should have joined the army. Why did you come to the Navy?
Okay.
Okay, now your answer is, पर फंस गया ना? तो कुछ बोलना, चुप नहीं रहना है. Tell him, sir, the best mountaineers have come from the Navy. Edmund Hillary के साथ में जो चढ़े थे, जो अच्छे से mountaineers हैं, I don't know their names, but I know they were all from Navy. And besides, you know, sailing in the seas, traveling to different countries, that is also adventure, a passion for me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
याद रखना.
Yes, sir.
Which actually, Commander Kohli, Captain Kohli, कुछ नाम मेरे को भी याद नहीं आ रहे. You can Google them. Naval officers who have done mountaineering. Captain Kohli is one name is coming to my mind. Captain is equivalent to a full colonel in the army, in the Navy.
Okay,
का Navy का ranks पता है ना सारे?
Yes, sir.
Navy के ranks. Tell me Varsha, tell me what all are ranks in the Navy?
Sir, the highest rank is Admiral. Admiral after.
What will you be commissioned as?
Sir, I will be commissioned as a sub-lieutenant.
And next, what promotion?
Sir, then lieutenant.
Then?
Sir, then lieutenant colonel.
Lieutenant commander.
Oh, commander,
Lieutenant
yes,
colonel in the army. इसको रट्टा मारो. Lieutenant colonel
Yes,
commander
sir.
के बाद? Lieutenant commander के बाद?
Commander.
उसके बाद? Commander is
Captain.
lieutenant colonel. Just
Yes, sir, captain.
These things now on equivalent ranks. Commander के बाद captain.
Yes, sir,
के
captain.
बाद? Captain के बाद?
Sir.
Commodore. Then
Commodore.
rear
Okay,
admiral, vice admiral, admiral.
Admiral. Okay, sir.
Make sure that all of them properly and equivalent in the army. Okay.
Yes,
तो
sir.
अगर वो उसने Air Force का पूछा तो सर मुझे Air Force का पता नहीं, but equivalent army I know because I see army around. I have not seen many Air Force organizations around, but army मैंने देखा, मुझे army वाले पता. I see them on television.
Okay, sir.
Okay. इसको याद करना.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Varsha, why do you want to join Navy?
Sir, as Navy is a 3-dimension, so we can explore the thing from the sea, then from the air, and from land also. And the second thing, sir, I am an adventurous person, and the Navy, I think in that I can explore my technological skills also, or adventurous life I can live if I join the Navy, sir.
वर्षा, ये एडवेंचर का किसने तुम्हें मोटिवेट किया नेवी में?
Sir, actually I seen from the movies and news also, like, sir. So I get attracted towards the uniform.
And see that, which is that those 6 naval girls went around the world in that yacht. Google करो उसको and see क्या है. And then my coursemates from the army went around the world in a yacht called Trishna. Okay, dono
Okay.
incidents. Bolo sir, one now Brigadier C. Bharti went around the world. He was from the army. But even 6 naval girls like me, they went around the world in a yacht. Around the world in 3 months or something. Uska puri details rato. And when he asked him, he said, this is what motivates me to join the Navy. And of course, technical
Okay, sir.
skills. I'm a engineer. Navy mein all officers are engineers. Okay, remember that. You cannot
Okay,
become a naval officer unless you're an engineer. Only for the logistics branch. Okay, you don't get into that. They're all executive officers are engineers. So I think I can do a lot. And adventure mein, these 2 expeditions. One is Trishna, which was done by my coursemate, Brigadier C. Bharti, when he was a captain long back. Trishna, and उसने बेटी का नाम Trishna रखा. Trishna बोट का नाम था. वैसे ही इसका देखो कौन सा इसका, what is this expedition? Okay, so this will come handy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, by and large, you are perfectly all right. I have nothing but मुंह नहीं बंद रखना चाहिए. बीच में एक बार बंद हो गया ना, तो पूछा क्या करना है. Sir, I will tell you about this, but I'm not very clear, sir. ऐसे कुछ मुंह से निकलना चाहिए. चुप नहीं होना है बिल्कुल भी. If you know nothing.
Yes, sir.
Or sir, I will see. Sir, can you elaborate it further? थोड़ा और explain करेंगे sir कि what do you want to know from me? This is how you buy time from the others. So उसे सोचने का time मिल जाएगा. कुछ मुंह से निकलेगा. अगर कुछ फिर भी नहीं निकला, तो tell him sir, इसके बारे में I'm sorry, I don't know anything, but I'll try to find out. Okay.
Right, sir.
So
Yes,
I think we got 3 minutes left. I will not prolong this session further. You're doing very good job.